to participate in this program is the unique perspective I have as someone who has been a family court litigant. It's one thing to represent people in court as an attorney. It's a whole other thing to actually be one of the litigants when so much is at stake.
I'm a tax lawyer, so I don't have a lot of experience. So I always felt like I was stuck doing kind of tax filings for tax exempt entities, things that were more helping out a business rather than helping out an individual. And I was told of the opportunity to work with Family Legal Care, and in particular that they provided a lot of training. I felt like really Family Legal Care had turned me into a lawyer who was qualified to provide this sort of pro bono work. And so that was really exhilarating.
This was giving me an opportunity to help others in a different way than what I was doing every day from 9 to 5. So I wanted to continue to give back because I knew that that area of law always required a lot of explanation and care.
What I've come across time and time again is people who are just intimidated, frightened, or anxious. And I think just the psychological benefit that I've seen occur between the beginning of an hour and the end of it, where they feel more confident, where they feel more secure, prepared. I think it's empowering, and I think it's really giving people the confidence that otherwise they wouldn't have.
In some cases, a 1-hour consultation can have a tremendous impact on someone's life. I've had a very successful outcome. In one particular case, the mother was very concerned about relocating the child, getting him out of his father's house and moving him into a safer environment. I helped draft the custody modification petition, and she prevailed, and the son was able to move from living with his abusive alcoholic father to a kinder and gentler environment with his mom in upstate New York.
A lot of the clients that I met with just needed someone to hear them out and hear what their story was and their concerns. Being able to just talk to someone who isn't really rushing you or having you on a clock, it just makes a difference for them.
I think it's really smart the way things are laid out, and that we have all the information in one place, a one-stop shop, which is also useful and convenient.
Had a very positive experience so far with the new platform. I have no complaints. I'm actually delighted to have better technology to use.
The staff, they've always been receptive and responsive. So I think moving forward, it should be the continued support that I've always received since starting the program.
Clients' thoughts are so scattered, understandably, given what they're going through and the stakes that are so high. Having been through the system myself, it's very personal to me.
It's a great service that is helping a lot of families in times of need and distress. Going to court can be a daunting situation, and with issues with family law, they're sensitive in nature. So I feel as though the program has been helping those who feel underrepresented and underserved.
I really love it. I really love the satisfaction that I'm getting, the feeling of giving back. I'm not just helping corporations. I'm not just helping clients, but I'm helping real people who are dealing with the real family issues and traumas, and it's just a wonderful program. So grateful.